Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and starting with Chrome 1.1.1, the new version of Chrome that we had this week. And I talked about the absence or very few features possible, and of course the 40 security flaws. But something that the Google team has actually done is remove something that was in Chrome for a long time, which was the cleanup tool. I talked about it in previous videos. When you went to the settings, you had the option to actually clean up your browser, and there were a lot of, in the system settings, there were settings where you could actually choose to, it was kind of a virus or malware scan if you want. And it was due to the fact that a lot of malware redirect or change the browser's ability to do a job. So what happened here is that a change has happened that actually removes that feature. So if you had the ability, or if you had the habit of using the feature of cleaning up your system, it is now gone from Chrome since since version 111. And so what happens is that Google has mentioned that the improved sandboxing of the browser, meaning that every website is enclosed within its own little jail, if you want, can't really get out unless as long as you keep your system and your Windows and your browser up to date. That the malware problem of having all sorts of redirecting and extensions of all sorts of and change of all the settings is something that just simply doesn't happen really anymore. So what they were saying is that the Chrome browser now is just so rock solid against all of these types of attacks that you don't really need a cleanup tool anymore for safe browsing. And add to the fact that everything is already checked for you before in advance when you are browsing using Google Chrome. So they're kind of saying, that's a tool that we needed at some point in the past. We don't need it anymore. So the Chrome cleanup tool is now gone since version 111 on Google Chrome. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.